Drones are becoming a regular gear in our daily life. They are not only used by professionals, but beginners, adults, and kids also like them to fly. They are fun to use, and from high-end security implementations to pump-sized novelty drones flown for. And yes, it's hard to deny that appeal of these sleek quadcopters. The market is loaded with drones for all shapes, sizes, features, and yes, most importantly, the price. If you don't want to spend big bucks on them but still need one, then sit back and relax, as we are going to show you the best drones under $100. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Price is not everything when it comes to buying a quadcopter. The 4DEERC V4 drone is packed with impressive features and comes at an affordable price. It comes with dual camera including adjustable angle of view arbitrarily, and from your smartphone, you can see what your drone sees and record 1080p video smoothly. With FPV transmission, you can enjoy a live feed up to 80 meters away. Without using any additional apps or buttons, you can take selfie, photos, and videos easily because the V4 supports gesture control. Even it can fly automatically by following the path that you have created. This drone offers a bunch of useful modes including 3D flips, gravity sensor, emergency stop, 3-speed mode, and more to make your flight more exciting as well as interesting. On a single charge, it can provide maximum 26 minutes of flight time, making it a perfect companion for indoor or outdoor flying. Its foldable, lightweight, and compact size makes carrying it super easy in its case. Share the world with your friends and family. The DEERC D50 can deliver stunning contents, and its smart features make it an excellent companion for beginners to pro users. Its built-in 2K UHD camera with 120-degree field of view and adjustable angle creates high-definition footage and FPV-like videos, allowing you to see a wider and clearer view. Its one-key operation enables you to start, land, or change speed by pressing a single button. Its 3-speed modes can satisfy both beginners and pro users. The D50 can perform 360 flips, rolls, circles, and more, making it attractive to operate. Even its smart voice and gesture control add more fun to your flying. With Waypoint, you can define an exact route on the mobile app map, and the drone will fly straightly following the path, bringing you a spectacular hands-free user experience. Its 2 batteries support up to 24 minutes flight, making this quadcopter the best companion when you play outside. Capture and shoot memorable moments with the Holy Stone HS110D, an amazing RC drone that can record and take marvelous contents without any distortion. With 1080p FLV 120-degree HD camera, you can shoot all your surroundings and view images on your phone from the wide-angle lens. It can take 3D flip while you're operating it. Even you can take still images with its altitude hold features. This feature is also helpful for you kids or any newbie to have an easy and stable flight experience. If your quadcopter is out of sight, you can stay worry-free since it comes with headless mode, which enables its pilot to feel easier to control the drone. The HS110D comes with a user-friendly app that lets you fly and use other fun features including gravity control, voice command, and more from your smartphone. Even this app enables you to expand your creativity further and share it on social media with ease. It also comes with a modular battery while offering quick power-up, and once its battery is fully charged, you can fly the quadcopter for 20 minutes without any hiccup. Introducing a user-friendly and super easy to operate drone, the S5C from SNAPTAIN, which you can control by simply using your voice. By pressing one button, it will take off, land, and return to your command. It comes with smart voice control, headless mode, and fascinating 360-degree flips and rolls that become really handy even for beginners. The drone can provide video transmission within a range of up to 80 meters while capturing videos with 1080p. You can edit and share your content on social media from your smartphone by using the dedicated app. It comes with a built-in gyro sensor that allows you to adjust the vertical and horizontal position of your smartphone for controlling the drone, and you can do it more conveniently with the SNAPTAIN Era app. It features altitude hold, FPV real-time transmission, trajectory flight, and more to assure you can use it according to your needs or snap stunning shots. You can stay worry-free if your drone drops or hits any trees or walls because it has protective propeller guards. The guard is made from high-quality ABS material which is shock and drop proof. An entry-level drone for kids or beginners, get yourself introduced to the Ryze Tello Mini, which can perform overall best with its excellent features at this price range. Powered by Intel 14-core processor with 5-megapixel camera, you can capture HD footage while electronic image stabilization will keep the camera consistent and stable for you. The drone is capable of providing 100 meters of flight distance, which is long enough to cover the range of an entire football field. The font-sized drone comes with a dual antenna, which makes HD video transmission stable, and a 1100 mAh battery that offers 13 minutes of flight time, which is quite decent for a mini drone. The drone weighs only about 79.9 grams, has propeller protection and collision detection, which is perfect for beginner-level drone flyers. To make your drone experience enjoyable, the Ryze Tello is capable of providing awesome drone tricks, including throw and go, 8D flips, and bounce mode. Overall, the Ryze Tello is rigged with tons of safety features to make the droning experience a lot more easy and enjoyable. So that was a list for the best drones under $100 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.